for me it's a great moment because this center has opened last year in March. And in 1 year, a lot of things has been done, and we will do more. This signed between the Turkish Cultural Center and the Writers Association of the Gambia will pave the way for scientific, literature-wise cooperation. And there are more than now 4 projects that has already been agreed on, and we will soon start them, so you will be informed accordingly. This is to say that we are also very much interested in presenting our culture to the Gambia, but we want to learn also from the Gambian culture, and this association, I think, is a very important and critical one. So I am very happy to be present today. I will not say much. We are here with the professionals, and I will leave the floor to His Excellency. Thank you very much for your presence, dear friends.
Your Excellency, Ambassador of the Republic of Turkey, distinguished Director of the Turkish Emre Institute, or the Yunus Emre Institute rather, Mr. Tahir Erdogan, our distinguished members of the Writers Association, here present, the Vice President, Mrs. Yuka Jabang, the Secretary General, Mr. Keba Juara, and the Book Production and Promotion Officer, Mrs. Annie Adam Young, and members of the press. For us, it is a great honor, indeed, and a great privilege to have to sign an agreement with the Yunus Emre Institute. This is made possible with the support, guidance, and encouragement of the ambassador. Since we met him last year, he has been very, very, very cooperative, very helpful, and has guided us. And when we met Mr. Erdogan, I have to confess that we immediately connected, because we realized amongst ourselves that the best form of diplomacy today is cultural diplomacy. And this is why when we discuss, we immediately concord that we need to formalize a relationship that is going to promote culture, that is going to promote writing, that is going to promote knowledge dissemination. And for that reason, we had an agreement signed, prepared rather, and then we have been planning and preparing it. Even during this period, we have been working closely together, knowing that we are brothers of a common purpose. We all know that the Republic of Turkey carries a beautiful history, an extraordinary history of expansion, of culture, politics, and it has so much to share with us in the Gambia. Because exposure to the international world is what promotes cultural diversity. It's what also awakens the people. Because we need to understand that by discovering other people's cultures, we also continue to cherish our own. There are so many cultures that are similar. There are so many things that bind our different cultures that until we discover what others have to offer, we wouldn't know also what we can also offer. And through literature, we believe there's so much we can share. And this is why we at the Writers Association are very excited to see this agreement signed today officially. And among the activities we are hoping to conduct is going to be book launches, where this hall is offered practically for free for every writer in the Gambia who is willing to write their book, but also organize conferences. And you have the shelves just behind you. They are going to be populated very soon with Gambian writers, right? Gambian books. So the people who will visit the Yunus Emre Institute, they wouldn't be completely disoriented. They would find a familiar environment where they can relax, read a book, and enjoy what we call that cultural connection between us and the Republic of Turkey. But you will be surprised that even among us Gambians, we will be doing conferences on part of what is Turkish history and Turkish culture. Because this is where we will all realize that culture has absolutely no boundaries. It is not boxed into what we call a political boundary, political sovereignty. Culture is a shared value. And as a result, we can all share that culture and values. And this is what is sustainable between nations. This is what is sustainable among people. And we are very proud today to have signed this agreement, and we look forward to the full implementation of it. And we are hoping you will also be part of it. Because we believe the press also have a way of promoting culture, of bonding through culture. And we are hoping that in the very near future, the Gambia will be proud to see that cultural diplomacy through the agreement we have signed today between the Yunus Emre Institute and also the Rifle Association of the Gambia. So we are very proud and we are very thankful to the ambassador and also to my dear friend and brother, the director of the Yunus Emre Institute. Thank you very much.